Before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and click in the bell icon.
How to improve your health with turmeric. Turmeric, also known as curcumin, has been used for thousands of years to help fight off infection, reduce inflammation, help with digestive issues, and even fight off certain cancers. It is also a powerful antioxidant and can assist your body in fighting off free radicals. You can add turmeric to your diet by cooking and baking with this yellow spice, thereby reaping the health benefits of turmeric in your daily meals. You can also take turmeric supplements to improve your health every day. However, check with your doctor before using turmeric or if you have an upset stomach after taking it. Method number 1: taking turmeric supplements. Tips number 1: take the recommended dose of turmeric if you are an adult. There are currently no studies being done on turmeric supplements for children, so children should not take turmeric supplements. Adults can take turmeric supplements in capsule, fluid extract, or tincture form. Have up to 500 mg a day of turmeric in capsule form. Take 30 to 90 drops of fluid extract turmeric a day. Have 15 to 30 drops of turmeric in tincture form, 4 times a day. Tips number 2: look for turmeric supplements that contain lipids. It can be difficult for your body to absorb turmeric if you are taking it on its own. The herb is not water-soluble and as a result, 99% of the herb can go right through your body, with no absorption. Taking turmeric supplements with lipids, or fat, seems to increase its absorption rate. Tips number 3: do not take turmeric supplements if you are on blood-thinning medication. You should speak to your doctor before you take any herbal supplements, including turmeric supplements. If you are on blood-thinning medications, such as warfarin, Coumadin, clopidogrel, Plavix, and aspirin, you should avoid taking turmeric supplements. Turmeric supplements can strengthen the effects of these drugs, thereby raising your risk of internal bleeding, and increase the production of stomach acid to dangerous levels. Avoid turmeric supplements if you are on the following stomach acid medication: cimetidine, Tagamet, famotidine, Pepcid, ranitidine, Zantac, esomeprazole, Nexium, omeprazole, Prilosec, lansoprazole, Prevacid. Tips number 4: avoid taking turmeric supplements if you are on diabetes medication. Turmeric can increase your risk of hypoglycemia, or low blood sugar, so it should be avoided if you are on diabetes medication. Method number 2: cooking and baking with turmeric. Tips number 1: buy whole turmeric root at the grocery store. Turmeric is a root that looks similar to ginger root, often carried in grocery stores and health food stores. You can buy whole yellow turmeric root in bulk and store them in the refrigerator for use within a month. Store whole turmeric root in an airtight container, layering the roots between clean dry paper towels. Tips number 2: use pre-ground turmeric for an easier option. You can also find turmeric in powder form in the spice aisle of your local grocery store. It should appear bright yellow and often comes in a clear, glass bottle. You can store ground turmeric in a cool, dark space or on your spice rack, away from direct light. Tips number 3: add turmeric to stews, curries, and soups. Peel the skin off the root with a peeler and finely mince the root as you would a ginger root or garlic. You can then sauté turmeric root with onions, carrots, and celery. Add in a healthy fat source, like coconut milk, as well as other vegetables, to make stews and curries. You can also add turmeric root, in fresh root or ground form, to soups to act as a spice base. Add a dash of turmeric to chicken noodle soups or coconut milk-based soups. Tips number 4: roast vegetables with olive oil and turmeric. Turmeric's peppery flavor works well with roasted vegetables and adds depth to vegetable dishes. Roast cauliflower with olive oil, turmeric, cumin, and some fresh black pepper. You can then put the roasted cauliflower over quinoa for a healthy, filling vegetarian meal. Tips number 5: use turmeric in stir-fries. You can also put turmeric in chicken or beef stir-fries, as well as tofu stir-fries. Turmeric adds a warm flavor to hot dishes and goes well with the lighter flavors in a stir-fry. Tips number 6: put turmeric in your morning smoothie. If you tend to jump-start your mornings with a smoothie, you may want to consider adding turmeric to your next morning smoothie. Pair 1/8 ground turmeric to a smoothie with carrots, raspberries, goji berries, and coconut milk or almond milk. You can also use fresh turmeric in place of ground turmeric. The taste of turmeric is often masked by the other flavors in smoothies. Tips number 7. Make turmeric tea for an easy option. Turmeric tea is a great way to consume turmeric, especially if you are fighting off an illness or a cold. You can make turmeric ginger tea by boiling 1/4 teaspoon ground turmeric and 1/4 teaspoon ground ginger in 1 cup water. Let the tea simmer on the stove for 10 minutes. Then, add a splash of milk or soy milk and strain the tea into a teacup. Add honey or sugar to taste. Tips number 8. Try turmeric hot chocolate as a yummy treat. You can also add turmeric to hot chocolate to create a warm, peppery drink. Combine 1 cup milk, coconut milk, or almond milk with 1 tablespoon unsweetened cacao powder, 2 teaspoons honey, 1/4 teaspoon ground turmeric or 1/2 teaspoon grated fresh turmeric root, and 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon in a small saucepan. Bring the mixture to a simmer, whisking the mixture until the spices and the cocoa are well combined. Tips number 9. Prepare a turmeric cake for a tasty dessert. Turmeric cake is popular in Middle Eastern baking, as it is simple to make, savory, and vegan. It has a bright yellow color, reminiscent of turmeric, and is often served with 1 pistachio in the middle of each slice of cake. To make turmeric cake you will need 3 cups self-rising flour, 2/3 cups sugar, 1 tablespoon ground turmeric, 1½ cup unsweetened shredded coconut, 3/4 cup vegetable oil, 1 3/4 cup sweetened almond, coconut, or soy milk, 1 tablespoon tahini, and shelled pistachios as a garnish. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then, coat the bottom and sides of an 11x7 baking dish with the tahini. In a large mixing bowl, combine the flour, sugar, turmeric, shredded coconut, and a pinch of salt. Make sure it is mixed well. Add the vegetable oil and the milk. Stir the ingredients together until they are just combined, careful not to overmix. Pour the batter into the prepared baking dish and decorate the top of the cake with the pistachios. Bake the cake for 45 minutes in your preheated oven. Let the cake sit for 15 minutes before cutting and serving it. Method number 3. When to seek medical care tips. Number 1. Check with your doctor before taking turmeric. While it's safe for most people, turmeric isn't right for everyone. It can interfere with certain medications and may make bleeding worse. Plus, you may be allergic to it. Before you start using it to improve your health, ask your doctor if turmeric is safe for you to take. Let your doctor know that you plan to use turmeric daily to improve your health. Tips number 2. Talk to your doctor if turmeric upsets your stomach. Differently.